All right, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's tutorial will be talking about product manipulation or product designing. All right, so as you can see, um, this is the um, real image of the product manipulation that I'm talking about. And the product that we're using today is Carlistin. Carlistin is a cream product, okay? So it's a cream product, and that's what we are going to be designing today. So let's get right onto it. All right, so we're going to create a page first, 4 by 5 inches. So the dimension is 4 by 5 inches. So we're going to be creating that. And yeah, so this is the section where we have um, all the materials that we're going to be using in today's tutorial. So the first thing first, as you all know, is the background. We need to create the background. The background is the most important material and element in a design. All right. So the first thing, we create a background. Okay. So this is typically the main background. So let's just bring the background here. Okay. So let's enlarge it. Let's enlarge the background. All right. So I want to blur this. I want to blur this part, but I will allow this to I will allow this to be as visible as visible as everything. So this is going to be blurry. And how are we going to achieve that? The first thing first is that we are going to be duplicating the image. Okay, there are several ways in which you can blur the part of an image, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using a different method. So the first thing first, we are going to be duplicating the image, and I have duplicated it, and then we are going to be cutting away some elements. So we're going to be cutting this part since we are blurring this part. So let's go over to the rectangular marquee tool. So uh, let's start from here. This is our main concern, okay? And then we layer mask it. Oh, sorry. We are going to select this. This is what we'll be using. This part here is what we'll be using. So we're going to layer mask it, and you can see it is gone. So for this now, we are going to be applying our blur effect. The filter, we go to blur, then go to the Gaussian blur. We're going to 16.16 is the radius. 16.6 is the radius. So we have our image back. As you can see, is as visible as good. As So the next thing is that we have the product itself. You can download the product on Google to get the pictures, but then the files used in this tutorial will be attached to the in the description link. Okay, in the description box. All right, so we have our product here. Okay, so our product is here. Let it be at the center. Okay, then we have this hand. So this hand wants to, you can download this hand too on Google if you can't find it. So we have the hand, and is wanting to pick something. Okay, as if he wants to pick the cream. Okay, so you can make some arrangement or some effects on the hand. So let's have the levels. Let's have the levels. Let's see. Um, okay, So I believe this is okay. Then we now have the blur leaves. We have the blur leaves. Okay, let's enlarge them. Okay, I believe this is the blur leaves, and I think that that is all in all of the materials. I mean that is the end of what we'll be doing today. So this is the tutorial. So if you know you were blessed by this tutorial, you learned something, you got something tangible, please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.